What a wonderful occasion today. We are here again paying tributes, very rich tributes to one of the finest soldier, one of the greatest general of our times, General Vipin Rawat, who was the CDS, Chief of Defence Staff. The people of Karnataka, I really salute them because numerous such functions they have organized to pay tribute to such a great general. And again today, the National Human Rights Force, the president is here with me. She has taken this initiative to organize this wonderful function where we remember this great hero. Why we remember General Vipin Rawat? Because he has started a new legacy. He was the most audacious general, most decisive. If you recollect his tenure will go down in history as a unique tenure where he has taken some great decisions. Some of them may have been controversial, but today we realize how important they were. The raid which we did across Myanmar to punish those militants in their camps, such kind of decision, daring decision only General Vipin Rawat could have taken. The incidents of Doklam, our stand in that. Look at the way the surgical strikes were done. Today the nation realizes it is that general who really did the homework and who knew how important it is to reply Pakistan in the same manner, and dare not they thereafter attack India or do such kind of incidents. Only General Vipin Rawat could have thought about. So we had a daring kind of posture all along the border, whether it is Ladakh, whether it is the east, whether it is against Pakistan's border. Look, and he was the right choice to become the CDS, and numerous great changes the general was doing, including the Tri-Forces Command, which I'm pretty sure in the days to come, in 2-3 years of time, it will come into effect, because all the modern armies has really acted upon this concept and they are already have implemented this Tri-Service Command. India is now in line, and very soon General Vipin Rawat was working on this project very vigorously. So today, I will only say that he was one of the greatest generals. In my opinion, we had three greatest generals. The legacy of these three generals will continue. General Cariappa, General Manik Shah, and thereafter now General Vipin Rawat. He comes in the legacy of those great generals. He was our 27th Chief of Army Staff and the very first and the only CDS. We salute him today. And we pay our rich tributes to this great general. And people of Karnataka has taken this initiative. I salute the people of Karnataka because numerous such functions were organized in Karnataka, which I am aware of. Thank you.
General Rawat is Chief of the Defence Forces. He laid down the path for the youngsters of India. Apart from the engineers, doctors, and scientists, now India is rich of human resources. The people who are guiding either in Air Force, Army, or Navy, apart from the Border Security Force and internal police forces, who are guarding the rights of the public at large. It is not only their duty, it is the responsibility of every government officer in power to protect the children, women, and all the innocent people from the onslaughts of the neighboring countries. So China, of course, it is part of India because what the religion they are following is the Buddhism. Buddhism preaches for peace and prosperity. When they follow peace, there is no war. Likewise, who are there in India as Christians or as Mohammedans, they are born in India only. Their forefathers came and ruled for some time. 90% of them are all Indians. We are proud of our population of 150 crores in all. We are proud of our human resources. A great general like Manik Shah and Karyappa and succeedingly the Bipin Rawat were a fighting force, encouraging force for the protection of India from neighboring onslaughts like Pakistan or China. So we must always develop a universality and humanism, and we must inculcate in our mind, in our children, parents, our teachers, and our elderly persons who are the resource or the inspiration for the younger generation. They have to contribute a lot after their retirement or after their resting period. See that they are actively involved in all these activities for building a great nation. So it is not by one person, every other man. When the country, Gandhi got the freedom with the principle of non-violence because of the principles which is accepted by everybody. And you have seen so many wars throughout the country, throughout the eras like Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, and even Dwapara Yuga, and all these things which preach the principles of Dharma. This Dharma, ethics and values and morality has to be protected by the parents while inculcating good knowledge to the children, their children. So also
ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಯ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅವರು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂತೋಷವೂ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಸೇರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಗಂಡ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೇಲಿ ಸೇರಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಏನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಥರ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈ ಬಲಪಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಅಧಿಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಉದ್ದಿಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ತಾಪತ್ರೆಯೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥವ್ರನ್ನ ಒಂದು 10 ಜನ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾಗರ ಎಡೆ ಎತ್ತತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾಗರ ಎಡೆ ಎತ್ತನ ಕೋಬ್ರ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರನಪ್ಪ? ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹತ್ರ ಟಡ್ಕ ಹೊಡಿತಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇವರಲ್ಲ. ಜಡ್ಜಿಗಳಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಆನಂದ ಸಂತೋಷ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಬಕುನಿಯವರು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಂಥ ಅದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಅದು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಇವತ್ತೆಷ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳು, 2 ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳು ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟು, ಅದು ಹಿಡಿತಾರೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಯ ಸರತ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. मीडिया
और ये ऐसा ओकेजन था जब हम अपने फर्स्ट CDS जनरल रावत को याद कर रहे हैं, उनके कामों के। सिंस मैं रॉ में था तो मुझे पता था जनरल रावत ने किस तरह डिसीजन लिए. सो ही वॉज ए ब्रेव सोल्जर, ही वॉज ए ब्रेव सोल. सो आज हम उनको याद करने के लिए यहाँ हैं. मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले और हम सब उनके जो दिखाए हुए रास्ते पे चलेंगे और आर्म फोर्सेस जो उनका काम अधूरा है वो जरूर पूरा करेंगे.
राइट्स फोर्स का ये सोच है कि वी नीड अ फोर्स इन सच अ वे दैट इट इज़ नॉट जजमेंटल. अब हमारे कंट्री में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है ये कि तुम बड़े हो या मैं बड़ा हूँ. तो यू नो इट इज़ लाइक कौन सा फेथ बेटर है, कौन सा रिलीजन बेटर है. पहले आपको आप कहाँ बिलोंग करते हो पूछते हैं, उसके बाद आपका प्रॉब्लम सुनेंगे. तो जब आप पहले ही जजमेंटल हो जाते हो, आप अच्छा क्या बुरा क्या कैसा सॉल्व कर सकते हो. इसीलिए वी हैव टू forgo our caste, religion, creed, geography and everything. All that we have to work for is humanity. So it's a global humanity program, and we are wanting everybody to be Vishwamanava. We are all global citizens. 3,000 years ago, somebody told world is we all are brothers and sisters, right? Anaivarum kalviye yavadum ure. Everything is our place, everything is ours. So when every one of us are the 6,000th cousin, without you realize or not realize, where is the point of fighting? We all belong. We want to do something phenomenal for the society. We have to promote health, wealth and happiness, which is common for all. That we can do only through joy, peace and integrity. It is not about unity in diversity. It is about diversity in unity. Thank you.
Who said, in fact, I sent some messages protesting and without protecting any human rights. Then we are angry. And what is my responsibility as a human being? What I could do for the public at large? That is who is intelligent, who is I got commencing from the Krutaiga and other subsequent period, as the Rama period or but possibly forced people in Canada came to see and they are taking a walk. The pollution of the at South Africa or America, especially European countries, and where we are leading to. Yeah, at least now, instead of doing some progressive work, we are level of controlling by way of giving a preventive medicine. It is not a curative. We are happy with 2 injections, 2 doses of injection. This the Ayurveda which was injected or which was best use of it, and we have forgotten this the treatment or the whole process of mechanism or material life. Our the mind has become polluted, not because of the people who are living in the city. They have become so mechanized and materialized. These are the things we keep, if we keep ourselves under control, and that is a great control of the humanity. The 1926 United Nations Organization
Indian Military Academy and joined the famous 511 Gurkha Rifles. Now, it's very interesting. He joined the very unit in which his father was. The unit Gurkhas has 11 Gurkhas has a great history of numerous participating in the numerous battles, right from world wars to post-independence, all the wars they have participated. And this is the most motivating thing. You'll find armed forces officers tend to send their children. They may be well off from the home. They may be landlords in their villages. But yet they will send their children to the armed forces. This is the tradition in the armed forces. Whereas you see, ask any civilian in the south, the businessman, even the civil servant will be very hesitant. They will think twice to send their children to the armed forces. I can quote you a number of examples on this. Just on 31st, 3 days before, I attended a function here in the CMT Center. We celebrated the hero of Karnataka. Some of you may be knowing about him, Lieutenant Colonel Kundalkar. We celebrated his birthday. His war widow wife Shakuntala Bhandarkar organized this show. There was a book released in his name. There was a promo was also released in his name. Look at this example, because 7 years old Nirbhay and the second was 5 years old Akshay. That war widow Kundalkar, who's from here in Bangalore, we keep meeting. Mr. Babu has met them in our mess number of times, because I used to always make it a point to invite her. Joined the same unit, 18 Madras. So that is the greatest. See the war widow, anybody would have not sent, but she sent again in the front line unit of 18 Madras. Again, their job is to fight the militants. She sent her son to, and the second son joined the Navy, Lieutenant Akshay. Look at this. You'll find such great examples only in the armed forces. Why go far? I will tell you a live example. I was serving in Sri Lanka. One fine morning, I still remember that day. One of my senior colleagues, I was a captain, he was a lieutenant colonel, just come. Lieutenant Colonel Chabla, very famous personality.
ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಬಬ್ಬಿ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಇವತ್ತು ಜನರಲ್ ವಿಪಿನ್ ರಾವತ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ
ಮನಿ ಸರ್
ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ
मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी
ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು
ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಜಸ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಫೋಟೋಗೆ.
तेरे खेतों में लहरा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು.
It's an honor to have this cap from you.
It's a peta from my source.
Thank you.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ ಹಾಂ ಇರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಲುಕ್ ಕಮ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್.
Thank you. Thank you, Ji.
ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ
We are super proud of you.
ಸರ್ ಇದರ ಪಕಡು ಹಾಂ
ಸರ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಶ್ರಫ್ ಸರ್ ಲುಕ್.
So thanks for coming. We are super proud of you.
पूरा मोबाइल पीछे ले गया. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಂದ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ಫುಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.